Every day, somewhere in the world, a new project begins. A challenge, a construction site, a machine that needs to be created, designed, or upgraded. But for the people on the ground, it's about more than just getting the job done. It's about precision, safety, and ensuring that every task is executed to perfection. At Sygma, we share this commitment. For many years, we've stood alongside technicians and engineers, providing innovative solutions for every challenge. Sygma delivers innovative solutions for the most demanding on-site machining and bolting challenges. Our portable machines designed for flange facing, pipe beveling, milling, cold cutting, and grinding ensure unmatched efficiency and reliability in industries like oil, gas, mining, and wind energy. We also provide powerful hydraulic pumps, tensioners, torque systems, and induction heating solutions built to meet tough industrial demands with high performance and durability, ensuring smooth operations in the harshest environments. At Sygma, we reach beyond borders. Our products support industries on every continent. Whether it's an offshore oil platform, a shipyard, or a power plant, we're here to keep your operations running smoothly. At Sygma, we believe in a future where technology and human expertise come together. A future where projects run uninterrupted and every machine performs its task to perfection. Sygma, driven by passion, powered by innovation.